to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot of startup funding and investing. In raising a VC fund, there are several types of limited partners. Here's a list to consider. High net worth individual. This is a person who has a net worth over $1 million available for investment. They often participate as an active investor. Ultra high net worth individual. This is a person who has a net worth over $5 million available for investment. They can make higher levels of investment and often want a controlling position in the management of the fund. Single family office. This is a family office entity representing one family. They invest along a more specific investment thesis, but can be patient money. Multifamily office. This is a family office entity that represents several families. They invest in a more risk-averse manner. Corporate. This is a larger company that makes investments for strategic purposes. They invest to gain access to new technologies and industries. Institutions. These are pension funds, endowments, and foundations. They invest along a more strict governance structure. Consider these types of limited partners for your VC fund. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start hustling today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.